Hello, my name is Johan Falk. I work at NdoeOne Scandinavia. It's a nice morning in Stockholm, and this is episode 19 of Learn the Rules Framework screencast series, where we're looking at how to use rules in some kind of efficient ways. And right now we're at the Views Bulk Operations chapter, which will actually contain 5 and not 4 episodes, as I first thought. The Learn Rules Framework screencast series is a part of the Drupal Learning Library at NdoeOne.se, and we also have a book you can find at Amazon. If you like Drupal configuration, this book is a good place to start. Most of the stuff in the book is actually covered in this learning library, but it's more summarized and put in a neat order in the book. Also, if you just want to support the work at NdoeOne and this learning screencast, this learning library, you can buy the book just to be nice. Anyway, it's fine with me. So we're looking at views bulk operations, and this time we're going to actually look at how to combine views bulk operations and rules, because this is the Learn Rules Framework screencast series. I've taken the liberty to enable the rules module, and I'm now going to show you how you can use rules components in views bulk operations. This is actually the preferred way of using VBO. So I'm going to create myself, I'm going to change this VBO to allow that you close comments on these nodes, on nodes that you select. To do that, I'll have to start with creating a new component, add new component. I'm going to make this an action set. Continue. And I'm going to call this close comments. This is pretty important when you select parameters or variables going here to the component. Right now I'm selecting only one parameter, and that is very deliberate. I call it node. Let's call it node and node. Parameter. I'm not using provided. I still haven't tried this provided thing. I guess it's good basically if you call things programmatically, because then you get objects back. I guess it might also be good if you chain different, of course. If you use components inside rules configuration, say you call this action set from a triggered rule and it provides something here, then you can work with that object later on, of course. Continue. Like if you load the latest comment for a node or something, then you can have that as a provided comment object from this action. Action, I'm going to add a very simple action here, which is set the data value, which is kind of 90% of what you want to do with rules. I want to set the node comments allowed here. Continue. And set that to 0, closing the comments. Cool. Now I have a component with one parameter, that is a node, that can work pretty well with views bulk operations, especially if you're listing nodes, also called content in Drupal 7. So I'm going to edit my example VBO here, open it up, and I'm going to deselect this for a single thing. Scroll down, and at the bottom, no, okay, they're listed in alphabetical order. That's kind of smart. We have this new component provided here. Super neat. I'm going to skip the confirmation step. I'm not going to override the label right now. Apply. Save. Alright. This is pretty super sweet. Let's reload just to see that it works here. Let's see if this node has comments enabled. Yes, it does. Okay, now I'm going to close it. This one, close comments. No confirmation step because I skipped that, and that is done. Let's see if I scroll down here, reload. No way to add comments. Sweet. Oh, they're even hidden. Okay, so the 0 for allowing comments means hide any comments that exist. Might be a good thing to know. Cool. Yeah, that's basically it. This is a very simple action. You can of course have very complex components instead. You can have like check if this is if it's an article and the article author is an administrator. If so, add these 3 tags to the tags in to the list of tags in the node, and also schedule a reminder for user ID 3 that is sent out with rule scheduler in 2 weeks, telling her or him that it's time to, I don't know, make more tea or something. Yeah, that's rules components used in views bulk operations. Pretty darn useful. Um, VBO comes with a number of basic actions, but providing more with rules is just super sweet. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next screencast. Then we're going to look at how what happens if you have more than one parameter for component, rules component, and that is pretty cool. See you there. Bye.